I'm Leanne Weishart. I'm running for State Senate of District 46. Today, I want to talk to you about an important issue that affects all Hoosiers, and that is property tax caps. In this upcoming legislature, your local legislators will be voting on putting property tax caps into the Indiana State Constitution. What does this mean? This means for all Hoosier property owners, residential owners, your taxes will never exceed a 1% cap on your total assessed value. For those of you who have farms and rental properties, your property taxes will never be assessed higher than a 2%, capping that at 2%. And for business owners and commercials, your tax cap will be 3%. That's a pretty good deal for all Hoosiers. What can you do about this? You can be with me, advocate strongly, contact your local legislatures, tell them, put this into the Constitution. Make property tax caps permanent for Indiana.